How to create a typewriter effect in Movavi Video Editor. Add your video on a timeline. Choose the Titles tab. Find the typewriter title and drag and drop it on a timeline. Write your text. Choose the font, style, and color. Choose the Audio tab. Click Sounds. Find the keyboard typing sound and drag and drop it on a timeline. Adjust the duration of the sound to match the visuals. And this is how you create a typewriter effect in just a few clicks with Movavi Ideas. More ideas at movavi.com/ideas.